time for class. We are gonna dive into some music. Do you want to be a part of a carnival? Okay, come on in. Welcome to the Carnival of Animals. Are you ready to be in our carnival? Get as many animals as you have at home. Don't worry if you don't have the same animals I have. We can pretend. You might have bears, or unicorns, or horses, or puppies, whatever you have. Go grab some animals. The Carnival of the Animals is a humorous musical piece by French composer Camille Saint-Saëns. And we're gonna dive right into the very first part, the Royal March of the Lion. Roar. Can you roar like a lion? Roar. Lions have very big manes. I have a lion here. For the Royal March of the Lions, the piano creates the lion's roar. You can use rhythm sticks to march around and listen for the lion. What if you don't have rhythm sticks at home? That's okay. You could use spatulas from the kitchen. You could use chopsticks. I have these chopsticks, and I could use these as rhythm sticks. Or I could use real sticks. These are some of the sticks my dog Lola brings home from a walk. And you can have mom and dad help you carefully remove anything that's sharp. Take off the bark if you want to. Some real rhythm sticks. There you go. Whatever you have, use that. And I'm going to play the Royal March of the Lion. Listen for the piano and the strings. March around and listen for the roar. Are you still marching? March, march, march. Wow! Wasn't that fun marching to the March of the Lions? Okay, friends, we're ready for our next part of the song. The next part has hens and roosters. Do you know what sound a rooster makes? That's right, cock-a-doodle-doo! What if you don't have hens and roosters to play with? That's okay, I don't either. I have some turkey toys. Those will work. I have some rubber duckies. Those will work. Whatever you have. Or just put your hands like a beak. And you can be the hens and roosters. Put your arms on your hips and flap your wings and peck at the ground. And you can be the hens and roosters of this next part of the song. Okay, friends, for hens and roosters, you're going to hear the violin and viola playing the sounds of the hens. And then the piano and the clarinet are going to play the part of the rooster. And a clarinet is a black and silver instrument that is played like this. Now you can still use rhythm sticks for this, but don't be louder than the music. Then, if you want to switch to ribbons or scarves or strips of fabric or a shirt, and you can pretend to be the hens pecking at the ground. Okay, here come the hens and the roosters. Listen. Can you picture them pecking? Pecking at the ground. rooster. I wonder what animal is next. Let's find out. Okay, friends, the next piece of the music is the part where the mules, the donkeys, come in. And it's going to be with just the piano. You're going to hear it go up the keyboard and down the keyboard. So you're going to hear kind of high and then low. And that's going to be the donkeys or mules going up the mountain and down the mountain, up the mountain and down the mountain, like they're chasing each other. I know I don't have any donkeys or mules at my house, but I do have a horse and a pony, and I'm going to have them chase each other up the mountain and down the mountain. You're going to hear it go very fast. Get your friends ready. Up the mountain, down the mountain. Are these racing around and chasing each other? Chase them, chase them, chase them. Way up high. Wow, that was so fun. Didn't that go fast? That was a fun piece of music. You could really get your wiggles out on that one. Now, what animal's gonna be next? It's a really slow animal, not fast like the mules. It's a turtle or a tortoise. And you don't need to use a turtle. You can use one of your other toys. Let me see what I have. I have this. I have a porg. And this could be my turtle. It doesn't matter. Whatever you want to use. Or you could use your hand and have your thumb stick out as the turtle's head. And here's the shell of the turtle. Hello, little tortoise. You're going to hear the strings and the piano. And it's going to move slowly. A slow tempo. Can you say tempo? Tempo. That's the speed. How fast or slowly the music goes. So we're going to try to match the tempo. Can you hear it? That is much slower. Oh, the tortoise is dancing. Tortoise, you could use your dancing ribbons. Keep dancing. Great job, tortoises. Was that a fun, slow way to dance? Yeah, it was. Great job being the animals today. I can't wait to see what animals are going to jump into the music next. Come back tomorrow.